arbitrationagreements.org. There's a term we often hear in the realm of dispute resolution: demand for arbitration. It might sound complex, but today, let's simplify it. But first, please like this video, press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial dispute resolution topics that can save your business a great deal of time and money. Before we dive into what a demand for arbitration is, let's briefly touch upon arbitration itself. Arbitration is an alternative method of resolving disputes outside the courtroom. It's a process where a neutral third party, known as an arbitrator, makes a decision after hearing both sides of the argument. The decision, often legally binding, can be enforced in a court of law. Interestingly, according to a recent survey, 97% of respondents preferred arbitration to resolve commercial disputes. Now, let's get back to the demand for arbitration. This demand is a formal document, akin to the complaint in a lawsuit. It's the initial step taken by a party, known as the claimant, seeking to initiate the arbitration process. The demand for arbitration typically outlines the parties involved, the nature of the dispute, the amount of money or relief sought, and the legal basis for the claim. It's a crucial document that sets the stage for the arbitration proceedings. Notably, there has been a 15% increase in demands for arbitration over the last 5 years, emphasizing the growing preference for this dispute resolution method. So, that's what a demand for arbitration is: the official kickoff to an arbitration proceeding, a call to address a dispute, and potentially a path towards resolution. Whether it's used to solve a business dispute, a disagreement between a landlord and tenant, or an issue within the workplace, arbitration provides an alternative pathway to resolution that many are choosing over traditional litigation. Do you need more information about arbitration or help crafting a demand for arbitration? If so, head on over to arbitrationagreements.org. That's where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process quicker. Now, our association does not provide any legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business are considering opening a new account or case. Countless companies and individuals utilize our services to handle claims in a controlled manner through cost-effective solutions. If you're interested in doing that as a business, we are standing by. Successful companies depend on arbitration to save money. You're paying one service per case instead of experiencing the uncontrolled expenses of a standard lawsuit. That's the key reason why arbitration is so popular. Also, what do you think about arbitration? Does it sound like an optimal alternative to court litigation? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.